Students, welcome to Mathematics class 9th. Today we study the chapter Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. In this chapter, we study the important points related to Euclid geometry. First is how Euclid defined a point, a line and a plane. The definition are not accepted by mathematicians. Therefore, these terms are now taken as undefined. Second point is axioms or postulates are the assumptions which are obvious universal truth. They are not proved. Next point is theorems are statements which are proved using definitions, axioms, previously proved statement and deductive reasoning. Some of Euclid's axioms were things which are equal to the same thing are equal to another. Second is if equals are added to equal, the wholes are equal. If equals are subtracted from equal, then remainders are equal. Fourth point, things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. Fifth, the whole is greater than the part. Sixth, things which are double of the same thing are equal to one another. Seventh, things which are half of the same things are equal to one another. Fifth point is Euclid's postulates were postulate first, a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. Second postulate is a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. Postulate third, a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Postulate 4, all right angles are equal to one another. Postulate 5, if a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the interior angles on the same side of it taken together less than two right angles, then the two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of angles is less than two right angles. Two equivalent versions of Euclid's fifth postulates are: first is for every line L and for every point P not lying on line L, there exists a unique line M passing through P and parallel to L dash. Two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the same line. Next is all the attempts to prove Euclid's fifth postulates using the first four postulates failed, but they led to discovery of several other geometries called non-Euclidean geometries. In this chapter, we study the introduction of Euclid's geometry. इसमें दो पॉइंट आपको ध्यान देने हैं कि सबसे पहली चीज़ तो यूक्लिड मैथमेटिशियन जो थे उनके आधार पर उन्होंने जो पास्टुलेट्स और एग्जाम तैयार किए उनसे रिलेटेड जो थ्योरम्स बनी उस पर रिलेटेड जो भी हम स्टडी करते हैं ज्योमेट्री में उसको हम कहते हैं